Hello friends, today we are going to take a tour of Science and Industry Museum. The Science and Industry Museum sits in the heart of Manchester, the world's first industrial city. It is a place full of amazing objects and revolutionary ideas that change the world forever. Explore Manchester's rich legacy of innovation and discoveries in the Revolution Manchester Gallery. Find out how the city heritage is interwoven with the cotton industry in the Textiles Gallery and see science brought to life in Experiment, our family-friendly interactive gallery. Enjoy the beautiful gardens and uncover stories of the museum's historic site in the cobbled yard. Plus, look out the live science shows, talks and demonstration around the museum. A multi-million pound restoration program is underway at the globally significant industrial heritage site to carry out the crucial restoration work, bring the story of the historic site to life, and to create a more sustainable museum for visitors to play and learn in. Visit the museum website for more information www.scienceandindustrymuseum.org.uk/visit. The link is given in the description. I hope you do enjoy the tour. Please do like and share the video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button to get the notification for more upcoming videos.